Okay, now we have to start. जो जो हमने एडिशन में किया था ना, सेम हमें इसमें भी करना है। जैसे देखिए इसमें भी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक देयर विल बी बेसिक, इसमें भी दो टाइप है। वन इज व्हाट सब एम एंड अदर इज सब रजिस्टर्स। दिस इज मेमोरी, ओके, दिस इज मेमोरी। देखो जैसे कि हमें एडिशन में, जैसे कि हमारा एक नंबर कहाँ कहाँ रहना चाहिए था, एक्यूमुलेटर में, एंड सेकंड नंबर कैन बी एनीवेयर। सेम इसमें भी हमारा एक नंबर कहाँ रहना चाहिए, इन द एक्यूमुलेटर, एंड सेकंड नंबर कैन बी एनीवेयर। ओके, जब मैं सब एम लिखता हूँ तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है, सो दिस मीन्स व्हाट, a इक्वल टू a माइनस m, एंड इफ आई राइट दिस इन दिस वे, let's consider an example. If I write sub, let it to be b, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, a इक्वल टू a माइनस b। सो अपना फर्स्ट नंबर एक्यूमुलेटर में है, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट नंबर and this is our second number, and the result will store in the accumulator only. Okay, the result will store in the accumulator only. Now see, example like we can consider in this way. Now see, addressing mode, what type of addressing mode it is, anyone? Addressing mode कौन सा addressing mode है ये,
रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग,
रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग मोड, राइट। क्यों, क्योंकि देखो अपना डेटा कहाँ अवेलेबल है, रजिस्टर में अवेलेबल है, राइट। सी बाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन, बाइट कितना होगा, 1 बाइट। क्यों होगा 1 बाइट, बिकॉज इफ यू सी इन द चार्ट, हेक्स कोड चार्ट टेबल, आपको ये इंस्ट्रक्शन का आपको एक यूनिक नंबर मिल जाएगा, सो इट्स अ 1 बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन। ओके, नाउ सेम वी हैव टू टेक बिफोर एंड आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूशन। सी व्हाट वी हैव टू डू बिफोर एग्जीक्यूशन, लेट्स कंसीडर ए में हमारा 20 है एंड हमारा बी में 10 है। then after execution what will happen, after execution what will happen, a will come to be, a में क्या हो जाएगा, a minus b, so in a 10 will come because 20 minus 10 is what, 10 na, so in a 10 will come and b number will be as it is only, no change in b. okay, b में क्या रहेगा अपना 10 का 10 ही रहेगा। सबको समझा, सब रजिस्टर। now same way we have to do sub m, but we have to do sub m, okay, sub m. Again, addressing mode will be what, say as I told you, if there is a m, if there is a m in the instruction, then the addressing mode will be what, right, indirect addressing mode। कौन सा addressing mode है ये अपना, indirect, अगर m रहेगा तो, ठीक है। now byte, byte of instruction, जैसे मैंने कहा 1 byte, क्योंकि आपको इसका एक यूनिक हेक्स कोड मिल ही जाएगा टेबल में, it's a 1 byte instruction। now example, see again you have to write the same example, right? what you have to do, you have to consider, say ऐसा लिखना है आपको, like in HL, see here in HL, like assume H में and L में 3 1 है, okay, in A let's 20, and in say in, then you have to draw memory location in this way, let's to be C030, C031, C032, let's take here 5 10 15। so after execution what will happen, so this is before execution, and after execution what will happen, देखो now I have written m here na, I have written m here, where see I have written m here, so m मतलब क्या, जहाँ HL पॉइंट करिए वहाँ अपना m पॉइंट करिए, ठीक है। तो HL में वैल्यू क्या है मेरा, see in HL if I write, so it's a C031 ना, तो my m will point here, my m will point here, so as I'm doing SUBM, so this become a equal to a minus m, a equal to a minus m, so my a में कितना है 10 है, अरे अभी m में कितना आ गया, 10 आ गया, so this become 10 only, ठीक है। and memory location की तो वैल्यू ऐसा रहेगा, there is no change in the memory value, okay, only the change in the accumulator value, so you have to write this in again, just you have to copy it, it is fam। I hope this is clear to everyone।
सर हम लोग को बोला कि सब्ट्रैक्शन जो है 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट से करना है।
हाँ अच्छा देखिए, मैं आपको वो लाइक बाइनरी फॉर्मेट में नहीं बता रहा हूँ, मैं जस्ट आपको एक आइडिया दे रहा हूँ कि काम कैसा करेगा, ठीक है।
यस सर,
मतलब दिस इज जस्ट फॉर द अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन डेसिमल फॉर्मेट, ओके, दिस इज इन डेसिमल फॉर्मेट, लाइक बाइनरी फॉर्मेट में आप जो कह रहे हो ना सब्ट्रैक्शंस, तो हमें कैसे करना पड़ेगा से? ओके फाइन, से मैं आपको बता देता हूँ एक बार। Say 20 na, so first of all what we have to write, say first of all we have to write the code for 20. So this will be what? 10 0, see 2 10 ja 20, remainder will 0, 2 5 ja 10, remainder will be 0. Okay, 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 4, remainder will be 1, 2 1 ja 1, remainder will 0, 2 0 ja 0, remainder will 1. You have to write in this way. So this 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, now consider 10. Now if we write code for 10, then code for 10 will be what? 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this is code for 20, this is code for 10. Now see in 2's complement what we do in 2's complement, see actually kaisa hota hai, see this is what we have to do, but what we are doing this, which means same only na. तो हम क्या करते हैं, b का हम क्या करते हैं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल देते, हम क्या करते हैं b का कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो सी व्हाट इज 2's complement, सी 2's complement means what, 1's complement plus 1 is what 2's complement. ठीक है, तो सी वी हैव टू फाइंड द 2's complement of b, because what we are doing 20 minus 10 ना. सो हमें ये नंबर का 2's complement निकालना है, कौन से नंबर का, दिस नंबर का, तो हमें 10 का निकालना है. देखिए तो 1's complement क्या होता है, सी 1's complement means what, we have to make 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. समझे, 1's complement क्या होता है, आपको 0 को 1 करना है, 1 को 0 करना है. तो 1's complement of 10 क्या होगा, 1 0 1 0 1, and 2's complement क्या होगा, you have to just add 1. So when we add 1, so it will become what, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, and remaining you have to copy as it is. Now you have to add this one. Now देखिए, now you have to, now we have 20 is what, 1 0 0 0, and see we have 10 na, 10 now, see 10 is what, 1 0 1 1 0. See although we have to do minus, but actually what we are doing addition. See how we are doing addition, see this is the format through which we are doing addition, means we are considering minus b as a one term. Okay, instead of considering b as a one term, what we are considering, minus b as a one term. So a become one term and minus b become one term, then we can easily add them up. Okay, so now when we add up this 0, this become 1, see 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Now see you have to ignore this term, you have to ignore the last term. So our final answer is what? Our final answer is this only. See, our final answer is this. So it's become 0 1 0 1 0. So if we find the decimal equivalent of this number, it is 10 only na, which we get up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here we get 10 only na. समझा आप इसको सभी को?
Yes.
This is the way which we do 2's complement. So in exam, it might come in your exam also, like do the following operation with the help of 2's complement. Okay, so okay, let's do one thing, let's learn first of all 1's complement and 2's complement first. Okay, that's fine. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's first learn what is 1's complement. See, like why we are using, see, like before learning 1's complement, we should know why we using 1's complement, why we are learning 1's complement. See, the issue with the subtraction is what? The only issue with the subtraction is what? Like, so assume this is my number, this is my number, and we have to carry out this operation. Okay, we have to carry out this operation. So the only issue with subtraction is what now? So we have to take carries. Or see, this become 10. See, first of all, when this will 10, when this is 10, ये 10 नहीं है, ये भी 10 नहीं है, so we have to start carrying from here ना. So this becomes 0. So ये क्या हो जाएगा 10. Now it will take carry from here. So this become 9, this become 10. समझे आप? तो ये हमें बहुत टाइम लगता है सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए. So when we do subtraction, it consume lots of time, and अगर हम हार्डवेयर के टर्म में सोचे, like in terms of hardware, it's become very difficult to carry out the subtraction operation in hardware. So instead of doing subtraction operation, what we used to do, we used to use this concept which is called as ones complement and twos complement. Okay? So how we used to do ones complement? See, हम ones complement कैसे करते हैं? Okay, अगर any complement, see, अगर हमें ये करना है, like if we have to solve this question only, अगर हमें ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है, तो what we will consider the tens complement. What we will consider, we consider the tens complement of this number, and then we will add up, then we can get the answer. Okay, but ये आपका क्वेश्चन में नहीं है. Let's first learn ones complement and twos complement. So what is ones complement? Like if you have to do a minus b, we are doing it as a plus and minus b. Okay, now let's assume an example. Okay, first of all, how to find the ones complement? Let's learn that one. Okay, let's find ones complement. See, if I told you 10, let's assume any number, it to be 12. So as we know, the code for 12 is what? 1101. So ones complement of 12 will be what? Ones complement of 12 will be what? Just toggle the inputs, the output. See, 1 it becomes 0, 1 it becomes 0, 0 become 1, and 0 become 1. This is what ones complement. And now if I told you to find the twos complement of 12, so first you have to find the ones complement, then just add them, and then just add 1 plus 1 is what? Twos complement. See, 1 plus 1 will be what? 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 0, carry 1, and this become 1, and this become 0. So this twos complement is what? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so in exam this both can come in your exam, like do the following operation in ones complement and twos complement. Say in both the case you will get the same answer only. Okay, let's check it out. Let's consider any number. Let it to be 33 and let it to be 17. Okay, we have assumed any random number. So first of all, we have to find the 33 code. So the code for 33 will be what? Anyone can let me know what will the code for 33? See, you have to find in this way. You have to follow this procedure. Okay, say 2 6 no 32. 32 remainder will be 1. 2 8 is 0. Okay, 2 8 is 16. 16 is 0. Okay, 2 4 is 8. Remainder will be 0. Yes, right. Okay, then let's do for everyone. Tejas, 2 2s are 4. This will be 0. 2 1s are 2. This will be 0. 2 0s are 0. Okay, so the code for 33 is what? 1 0 0 0 0 1. And now see, we have to find the ones complement. First of all, we are doing with ones complement. Okay, so 33. Now 17. See, code for 17 will be what? The code for 17 will be 1 0 0 0 1. But see here, how many terms are there? 6 term now. So in order to make this also 6 term, you have to place 0 here. Okay, now we have to find the ones complement. If we find the one complement, then it 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, now we are doing it with the help of ones complement method. Now just we have to add up. So 33 plus minus 17. Okay, see now see this become minus 7. Okay, minus 17. This become minus 17. So 33 code क्या है 1 0 0 0 0 1, and 7 पे code क्या है 1 0 1 1 1 0. When we add up, see 1 1 1 1, this become 0. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. See, अगर आपको आंसर में carry आता है, if there is a carry in your answer, then you have to add this carry again. You have to add this carry. 1 plus 1 will be 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 will be 0. Carry 1. This is your final answer. Okay, and this is what 16 only na. And see, if we do 33 minus 17, we are getting 16 only. Okay, now in terms of twos complement, see in twos complement what we have to do, same again. As we know 33 code, it's 1 0 0 0 0 1, and now 17. but now in terms of 2's complement. So what is 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1. See, we have 1's complement code here now. This is 1 complement code. Now just add 1 with in it, so it becomes 2's complement. So if we add 1, so this code will become 0 1 1. Just a second. Yes, so the code will become in this way. Now again add them up. See, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 0 0 1 0 1. Now in 2's complement, if carry is generated, then you have to ignore this carry. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. But this is not so in 1's complement. Okay, see now, but see, even though we have ignored this carry, but still what we are getting same. हमें सेम ही मिल रहा है अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करें तो, ठीक है. 16 only we are getting. Okay, so this is the rules is what. So let's learn the rule. Let's make a note of the rule. See, rule is what. See, if a carry is in case of 1's complement, if carry is generated, then we have to add it up. We have to add it. Okay, and in 2's complement, if carry is generated, then we have to ignore it, But now assume if carry is not generated, assume carry is, see, in case of 1's complement, assume if carry not generate, if carry not generate, then again we have to take 1's complement, and again we have to take 1's complement and put minus sign Same here, the second rule is same. This is first rule, the second rule, this is first rule, and second rule, this is first and second rule, same. Just in spite of taking 1's complement, here we will take 2's complement. Okay, let's see the example for the second rules for the both the case. Okay, देखिए यहाँ हम देखिए इसमें हमें see in this case ना हमारा नंबर पॉजिटिव क्यों मिल रहा है, क्योंकि हम बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से माइनस कर रहे हैं. Okay, now let's take a case where we are doing, let's assume, see, assume कर लीजिए कुछ इस तरह 17 minus like 33. इसमें क्या होगा, हमारा आंसर हमें नेगेटिव आएगा. So let's do it in both the way. One is 1's complement way and second in 2's complement way. In 2's complement way. Okay, let's start with the 1 complement. So as we know, see, 17 तो हमें लिखना है. 17 का कोड क्या आएगा? Actually 1 0 0 0 1 and 33. See, 33 का कोड क्या है? As we know, 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, now if we find the 1's complement of 33, then it will become 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now we will add up. So see, 0 1 0 0 0 1. But if I have done any mistake here, this 1 2 4 8 16 32. Okay, just sorry, थोड़ा सा mistake होगा इसमें. So this is what 1. This will come 1. Okay, so this is also a mistake. So this becomes 0 1 1 1 1 0. So we have to add up now. So when we add up 0 1 1 1 1 0, this become 1. Okay, 1 1 1 0 1. See, now in this case carry is not generated. Which means what? Our answer is negative. Negative. We have to write a statement in this way. Since carry is not generated, So our answer is negative. Our answer is negative. Our answer is negative. Therefore, we have to take one's complement again. One's complement again. Which means what? See, which means आपको यही टर्म का वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट वापस लेना है. कौन से टर्म का? Like this term. So the ones complement will come what? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Just toggle and just put minus sign. So this is what minus 16 only now. This is what minus 16. And यहाँ देखिए इसका हमें आंसर क्या आएगा? minus 16 ही तो आएगा. And जो हमें मिल रहा है यहाँ पर. सभी को समझा ये या बाउंस जा रहा है?
नो सर समझा.
Okay. भी देखिए सेम टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में करना है. The same thing which you have to do in two's complement. देखिए अगर 17 में लिखूं 17 become 1 0 0 0 1 and now 33 will become what? 33 will become what? 1 0 0 0 1. Now we have to find the two's complement of 33, which is what? 1's complement plus 1. As we have 1's complement of 33 is what? 0 1 1 1 1 0. We have to just add up 1. So it become what? 0 1 1 1 1 1. This is two's complement. Now if we add up 17 plus 33, then what we will get? We will get C here. This is 0 1 1 0 0. This, okay, and this is what? 0 1 1 1 1 1. So when we add up, what we will get? See, simply we will get it 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, and this become 1 1. I think so, right? I hope this is right. देखो यहाँ पर कैरी जनरेट नहीं हुआ. जब कैरी जनरेट नहीं हुआ, which means what? Our answer is negative. And then again we have to take the 2's complement of this term. So when we take the 2's complement of this, so first of all you have to find the 1 complement. तो 1 complement क्या हो जाएगा इसका? 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 प्लस 1 करेंगे अपन. जब प्लस 1 करेंगे, so it will come what? 0 0 0 0 1 0. See again what we have, and we have to put the minus sign, and we have to put the minus sign. Okay, minus sign 0 1 0 0 0 0. See again this is we are getting only minus 16 only. So in both the case we are getting same answer. Okay, तो आपको एग्जाम में this both can they ask you for 4 mark. Like they can ask you what is one's complement and what is two's complement. Explain with an example. So you have to write this rule. First of all you have to write, make a like you have to write this rule first. In one's complement, if carry is generated, then we have to add it. If carry is not generated, then again we have to take one's complement, put minus sign, because it indicate the number is negative. If carry is not generated, then it indicate the output is negative. Same means to complement also you can write in your own word. No need to like write as is given as in your notes. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. If anyone have any doubt, then please let me know. Whose doubt is, Missy, this comes in exam and you should know how to do this subtraction and addition. Okay, fine. So let's move ahead. Okay, so we have done with the SUB. Okay, we have done with SUB, SUB registers. Now see, there are some more instruction in your subtraction. Same, see, it's like same only. It is like SBI data as we done in addition. Same you have to do here, which is A equal to A minus data. Okay, as we have done in let's see, SBBM, this means what? A equal to A minus M minus borrow. See here, as we have done with ADC also, I think so. As we have done in ADC. See here. So what we have done, see, we have written it what? ADC now. ADC means what? A equal to M plus C. So same, this will be what? Since see we are doing subtraction now, so what will term borrow? So as BBM means what? A equal to A minus M minus borrow. Okay, same way. And same as BB, like considered C as a register. Okay. So this will become what? A minus C minus borrow. Okay, so this 3 you try from textbook. If I have any doubt, then ask me. Okay. Now see, there are some more instruction which is quite important in this. One is increment and other is decrement. One is increment. One is increment, another is decrement. Okay, so this also have two: increment register and increment register pair. And see, this is also have two part, like one is decrement register and decrement register pair. Okay, so देखो, like example इसमें क्या आएगा, like see INR, increment like increment B, increment C. तो इससे क्या होगा, जो भी तुम्हारा कंटेंट रहेगा B, वो B एक से इंक्रीमेंट हो जाएगा. Now so this is register pair. So in order to increment the register pair, what we have to write INX. So if you write INX H, देखिए इसी के assume कीजिए HL में हमारा C030. Okay, if we write in this way, now HL will become what? C031. समझे? So increment register pair means what? We have to write here X, where see you have to write X here, and see if you are using just register, then you have to write R here. This is the only difference. Same here, decrement B, decrement C, same here, DXC, DXCH. If you write, then content will decrease by 1. Okay, so here we have done with the arithmetic group instructions. These are some of the important, and one more is there. Sorry, one more is there, which definitely come. See, if you observe any exam, like in 2018, 2019, if you observe any question paper, then this question will be there. Just a second, everyone. See, the most important is what? DAA. So this is what decimal. Just wait for a second. Okay, so this is what decimal adjust accumulator. So this definitely come in your exam. Okay, so what is DAA? Let's understand this one. Decimal adjust accumulator. See what happened when we do binary addition now, then there is no issue. Okay, when we do binary addition, then there is no issue. See here, when we considered let's consider any term. Okay, let's consider what we have to consider. Let's take an example of let's consider 12 and 39. Okay, so when we do binary addition, say the binary for 12 is what? 100. Sorry. See, the binary for 0 is 1100, and for binary for 32 will be what? So these are the binary for 12 and this is for 32. See how we have to find. Same this procedure only. By this procedure, you can find it out. Okay. So now when we add up, so what we are getting? 1 1 0, carry 1 0 1 1. This addition we are getting. See, and when we find the decimal equivalence of this, see how to find the decimal equivalence. See here, I have told you, I think so, how to find. So you have to write 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. Now consider only those terms जहाँ पर 1 है. So 2 raised to 5 के ऊपर 1 है, plus 2 raised to 4 के ऊपर 1 है, 2 raised to 1 के ऊपर 1 है, 2 raised to 0 के ऊपर 1 है. This is 32 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1. When we add up, this is 48, 48, 50, 51. Okay. Now देखो यहाँ देखो हमें यहाँ भी 51 ही मिल रहा है. So in case of binary, there is no issue. In case of binary, there is no issue. Now let's consider BCD. Now let's consider BCD. देखो BCD में हम कैसा करते हैं? If I given you 12 ना, so you have to find one का अलग and two का अलग. So one का अलग which means what? 0 and two का अलग ये. So for code for 12 is what? 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. कुछ difference दिख रहा है इसमें इसमें? देखो दोनों चीज different है. ये binary में हम कर रहे हैं और ये हम कर रहे हैं BCD में. So BCD and binary both are different. Okay, now say we have to find 39. देखो हम 39 लिख रहे हैं ना, so this is what we have to do, 39. Okay, so now when we add up both, so 0 0 1 1. When we add up both, so it will become 1 1 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. This becomes this. Okay. Now देखो अभी आपको देखो जैसे कि हम इसमें ऐसा करते हैं ना, हमें इसमें ऐसा नहीं करना, हमें इसमें कैसा करना रहता है, सभी को याद है इसे. We have to break this term now. We have to break this term. Now this will become what? This will become what? 4. And this is what? 8 plus 2, 10, 11. So this become 4b. What? This will become 4b. सबको याद है ये टेबल? I hope मैंने आपको कहाँ ना कहाँ लिखाया हूँ. See, यहाँ देखिए. See this one. ये देखिए टेबल. This is for BCD. Okay. This is for BCD. So हमें ये टेबल याद रहना चाहिए. मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में कहा था. So this is what B and this is what 4. देखो तो जब हम आंसर ऐड कर रहे हैं, so when we are adding up, what we are getting here is 4b. But actually what we should get, see, when we are adding 12 plus 39, actually हमें क्या मिलना चाहिए था? 51. But what we are getting it's 5. Okay, it's a 5. But what we are getting is what? 4b. So this answer is wrong. This answer is wrong. So we have to make some adjustment. We have to make some adjustment. So see, what is the rule? The rule is very simple. The rule is what? If okay, so the rule is very simple. Where I am? Just a second, guys. Okay, fine. See here, let's actually this is not working, so I have to carry out in pad only. Okay. See here, so हम कहाँ पर थे? We are at D. Okay, we are at DAA. Okay. So what we have get the question is something like, I think so it's 39 and 12 na? So it's 39 and 12. So what is the code for 39? Say what we are getting here is what? 1001, and for 9 it will be 001, and for 12 it will be what? 0001, and for 2 it will be 0010. So when we are adding up, we are getting 1101 0110. Okay, and this is at 51, right? But actually what we are getting, actually हमें क्या मिल रहा है? This is what? Oh wait. Is it right or wrong? 1 plus 1, 1 and 0. Okay, and this is a 1 plus 1. This is not 1 plus 1. Okay, wait. We have done mistake here now. This is 1 0. Okay, so this becomes 0. देखो हमें आंसर क्या चाहिए था 51, लेकिन what actually we are getting is what, say we are getting, ये हमें हम सेपरेट करेंगे इसको ऐसा, and what actually we are getting is what 4b, what we are getting 4 and b, so we are getting the wrong answer. Say we are getting wrong. अच्छा my screen has been paused. Okay, wait. चल अभी स्क्रीन विजिबल है? अच्छा तेजस अभी स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
Yes, sir.
ओके फाइन, पेंट दिख रहा है ना सभी को? पेंट
Yes, sir.
ओके. So see, actually what we are getting is what 4 and b. We are getting 4 and b. ठीक है, so our answer is wrong. See, what is the rule? Now we have to consider rule. See, rule क्या कहता है? If your term is greater than 9, see, if your term is greater than 9, you have to add a 6. What we have to add? See, if your term is greater than 9, then you have to add 6 to that term. If smaller than 9, then just add 0, or no add also, it's fine. Okay, but if it's greater than 9, then we have to add what? 6. Then we have to add 6. Okay, so see, अभी अब हमारे ये केस में, see, in this scenario, see, this is greater than 9 now, this is smaller than 9. If it's smaller than 9, just add 0. So first rub it down. So just add 0, 0, 0, and it's greater than 6. So just add 0, 1, 1. Okay, now add it up. So when we add it up, see, this will, then we will get 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0. This will be 1, 0, 1, 0. See, now if you break it up, then we will getting 51. See, now we are getting proper answer as 51. Now we are getting proper answer as 51. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. So rule is what? If your term is greater than 9, then add 6. If less than 9, then add 0. Then add if less than or equal to 9. If less than or equal to 9, then add 0. What you have to add? You have to just add 0. Less than or equal to 9, then you have to just add 0. Okay, this is the rule. And one more rule is what? If say if even though this two rule is enough, then you will get the proper answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. So this is die instruction, and this instruction is always come for the explanation, like explain die instruction. So in your examination, you will get around 5 to 6 mark question of like explain the instructions. This definitely come. This is one of the important question which always come in your examination. So किसी को कुछ डाउट है ये डा में? सभी को समझा और शुड आई?
Yes.
ओके, ठीक है. Let's do one thing. आप सभी एक बार एटलीस्ट रीड कर लो डा इंस्ट्रक्शन, क्योंकि ये आता ही एग्जाम में. If you have a notes, then read it from there. If you have any books, then read it from there, or just Google it out and read at least once. Then, and आपको अगर उसमें कुछ डाउट है, then please let me know. हाँ शुभम, वही हो गया. देखिए आप क्या कह रहे हो. Sir, in DA, if the instruction is MSB greater than 9, then we have to add 60 ना. See, उन्होंने क्या दिया है आपको? उन्होंने like okay fine, let's, मैं आपको ये explain करता हूँ. देखिए यहाँ देखिए, शुभम देखो वो क्या कह रहे हैं. अज्यूम करो शुभम कि आफ्टर, मान लीजिए आफ्टर you are perform an operation and आपको कुछ इस तरह आंसर आ रहा है, ठीक है? Assume this is your answer you are getting. Okay, Shubham, ये this is less than 9 ना, so what you will add 0, and Shubham this is greater than 9 ना, so what you will add 60. तो Shubham अगर हम combinedly देखेंगे तो ये 60 हो गया ना?
यस सर, समझा।
समझे? तो उन्होंने एक साथ में लिख दिया, लेकिन सी रूल इज व्हाट कि अगर छोटा है 9 से, इक्वल, लेस देन और इक्वल टू 9 देन ऐड 0, इफ ग्रेटर देन 9 देन ऐड 6। देखिए आप देखिए लाइक बुक में आई होप सो उन्होंने ऐसा लिखा रहेगा। सी देयर आर थ्री रूल, लाइक मे बी उन्होंने बुक में ऐसा मेंशन किया रहेगा। सी इफ लोअर टर्म इज इफ वन मोर थिंग, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एमएसबी। ओके, दिस ये जो फोर टर्म है ना, see this four term this four term is called as MSB and this four term is called as LSB. okay, तो देखो वो बुक में कैसे लिखे रहेंगे, if MSB is greater than 9, see what they mean, see just a second, if MSB is greater than 9 and LSB is less than or equal to 9, is less than or equal to 9, then add what 60। वो ऐसा लिख रहेंगे। इसका मतलब क्या होता है, देखिए जैसे कि मान लीजिए हमने कोई ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया और हमें कुछ इस तरह आया, this is MSB, this LSB, see this, देखिए what we have learned, see this is greater than 9 just add 6, this is less than 9 just add 0। अगर हम देखें तो ऐड हम 60 तो कर रहे हैं, तो वैसा ही वो see there will be three term, so there will be one more will be what, if MSB is less than 9 and LSB is what, greater than 9, then they will say you add 06, add 06। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, देखिए if we take any example, let's after performing an operation we have getting this answer। okay, after performing an operation we are getting this answer। see देखिए ये छोटा है 9 से, तो our rule said add 0, this is greater than 9 add 6। देखो ultimately what we are adding 06 only ना, तो वो in terms of word वो ये कह रहे हैं। and one more statement will be there, what if both, if LSB, if your MSB and LSB both are greater than 9, both are greater than 9, then add 66। so this means what, assume after performing an operation आपको कुछ इस तरह आ रहा है, see this is MSB and this is LSB। now our rule says what, 9 से बड़ा तो इधर 6 ऐड कर दो, 9 से बड़ा तो इधर 6 ऐड कर दो, तो see ultimately what we are doing 66, we are adding 66। सभी को ये समझा ये तीन रूल? see in your book I hope
यस सर।
ये लिखा होगा तुम्हारे बुक में, ठीक है? so फिर then also let's do one thing, everyone just read it out। okay, for for decimal subtraction DAA instruction cannot be used due to unavailability of decimal subtraction in Intel 80 and set, a series of instructions are to be executed to perform decimal subtraction। yes, देखो किंजल का ये क्वेश्चन है कि see there is see in addition what we used to do, see हम addition में क्या करते हैं, BCD addition में, see in BCD addition किंजल we are using da, see but what happen in case of BCD subtraction, देखिए किंजल हमने जैसे कि like before doing this we have done the subtraction, but we have not performed the subtraction, what how we have performed it, see with the help of addition only we have done subtraction। so same इसमें भी with the help of see we cannot do directly, means what they are trying to say is like, see like if we perform subtraction here now, like see if this is a scenario then we should get 27, we should get okay चलो like समझ लेते हैं, रुकिए let's wait। अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स डू वन थिंग. एटलीस्ट आप एक बार डाई इंस्ट्रक्शन रीड कर लीजिए सभी लोग, एंड देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस स्टेटमेंट ऑफ किंजल. ओके. If you have a book, then read it from there, or just at least Google one time and read it from there. Okay. Let's take a break of 2 minutes. If you have any doubt in the die instruction, let's go through the example also. Then let me know. Okay. Okay. किसी को कुछ डाउट है डीए में? Okay, fine. See, किंजल जो आपका स्टेटमेंट था ना, वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं? So let's consider 39 and 12. Okay. Let's consider 39 and 12. See, if we do perform the subtraction, okay, हमें minus करना है. See, let's see, code for this will be what? 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and for 9 the code will be what? 1, 0, 0, 1. See, and for 12, sorry, for first of all, for 1 will be what? 0, 0, 0, and 1. For 12, for 2 it will be 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now if we perform subtraction, then it becomes 1, 1. Sorry, this is 1. Okay, I hope ये आपको आता हो अभी तो. See, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0, 1 is what? 1, borrow 1. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1 is 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 1, this 0, and this is 0. See, in this case, we should get 27. Here also we are getting 27. But there might be some case, देखिए वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं, there might be some case where जहाँ ना हमें आंसर कुछ इस तरह आ पाएगा. That what they are trying to say in that statement is what? There might be some case where assume any number, okay, assume any two number, you have performed the subtraction, assume it, okay, and assume the answer is this. Okay, now answer is this. See, now what we are saying, see, this is greater than 9 na, this is greater than 9, and this is smaller than 9. So if we add 6 here na, even though after adding 6 here, we still won't get the answer, we still won't get the proper answer. But this is not so in the case of addition. Okay, in addition, if we add 6, then we are getting the proper answer. किंजल सबको आपको समझा ये statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we have done with the arithmetic instruction group. Now there will be more, but those are not as important as this, which we have done yet. Let's see, one more is that is a DAD instruction. It also might come in your examination. So let's see it out. See, DAD instruction. See the like. So this is what HL equal to HL plus register pair. Let's assume example. Okay, let's take DAD. Let's consider to be B. See, I have told you at the first lecture only, we have three register pair. We have three registers pair. Those are BC, DE, and HL. Okay, so here you can use anyone. Again, you can use BC or D. Okay, so we are using BC. So even though we are using BC, but still we have to write only B. We won't use to write C. Okay, so B and C. Okay, like let's consider an example. See how it will work. Like H में तुम्हारा like 10 है and let L में तुम्हारा 20 है. Okay, now assume तुम्हारा B में 30 है और C में 40 है. So after performing, if we write DAD B, then तुम्हारा L में क्या आ जाएगा 40, which means H plus B, एंड तुम्हारा L में क्या आ जाएगा 60. ठीक है, L में तुम्हारा क्या आ जाएगा 60, जो क्या है L plus C. ओके, तुम्हारा इसमें आ जाएगा 60, इसमें आ जाएगा तुम्हारा 40. सो ओके, नाउ अपना HL में क्या हो जाएगा. नाउ सी आवर HL बिकम 4060. HL become 4060 and BC will be remain as it is. No, there is no change in the BC. BC is what 3040. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. किसी कुछ डाउट है इसमें डैड इंस्ट्रक्शन में?
सर हम BCD से भी ऐड कर सकते हैं ना, मतलब कंबाइन HL को कंबाइन करके और BC को कंबाइन करके ऐड.
हाँ वैसा आप कर पाओगे, लेकिन देखिए लाइक फॉर एग्जाम यू हैव टू सी, वो आप कर पाओगे, जस्ट फॉर आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये ऐसा काम करेगा. ठीक है,
Yes sir.
okay fine. So now let's move to logical group instruction. So we have done with, say we have done with two type. One is data transfer instruction. Second one is what, the arithmetic instruction. Now let's move to logical instructions. See, logical is also very simple. I hope this you might learn in your maths also. So before learning logical instructions, first of all learn what is AND gate. Okay, we have to learn AND gate. One is OR gate. I hope आपको सभी को एटलीस्ट टेबल तो याद है, like truth table. And one is what, XOR gate. XOR gate. Okay, so AND gate क्या होता है, like if we considered A, if we considered B, so 0 0 1 1 from 0. सभी को पता है कि एक्सप्लेन करूं? सभी को AND gate पता है ना? आई होप.
Yes.
राइट. देखिए बच्चे गलती कहाँ करते हैं, दे विल से ओके 1 + 1 विल बिकम 2. ऐसा नहीं होता है. और दे विल कंसीडर ओके 1 + 1 ना, सो 0 कैरी 1. दैट सी वो होता है एडिशन में. दिस इज OR गेट. So 1 + 1 will be 1 only. Yeah, like 1 and 1 will be 1 only. This is a common mistake which we do in exam. सॉरी, see देखो AND गेट का लॉजिक क्या है कि if both inputs are high then only our output will be high. Okay, and OR गेट का लॉजिक क्या है, if any one of the input is high, if any one of the input is high then our output will be high. यहाँ देखिए, देखिए इसमें ये एक इनपुट हाई है ना, तो अपना आउटपुट क्या आएगा, हाई. Okay, if any of the input is high then our output will be high. AND गेट में if both the inputs are high then only our output will be high. In XOR gate, if both input are different then only our output will be high. This is the logic. Okay, so this is the logic of AND gate, OR gate and XOR gate. Now we have to, if you want to copy then you can copy it out. Okay, or just take a screenshot also if you want, or take a pic. See, now we are learning AND instruction. What we are learning, AND instruction. Okay, so AND make first one, see there are same. देखिए जैसा हमने एडिशन में किया था ना, वो सब चीजें इसमें भी रहेगा. See, and with register, and with memory, and immediate data. ठीक है. Let's take only one example. Okay, let's take only one example. It will be very easy for you. Assume कीजिए A में मेरा, let's assume A में मेरा कुछ 84 है, and let assume register B में let 37 है. Okay, and if I write A and A B, see, you should know what this word mean. What is instruction? This means what? Logically and A with B. Logically and A with B. So this full form is what? Logically and with accumulator. Or logically and with accumulator. So first of all, write the code for A. A में 84 है ना, so 84 में हम कैसे लिखेंगे? See, for 8, it's not 1 0 0 0 and 4 4. Okay, and for 37, अपना B में 37 है ना, so for 37 we will write in this way. This is 3, this is 7, so 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now आपको क्या बोला इसमें? What you have to do? You have to do logical, and now just with the help of that table, you have to just fill it out. See, 0 1 will be 0 only in case of AND gate. In AND gate, when our input will be high, when both the inputs are high. See, this will be 0. Here 1 1, so 1. Now just make a group of 4. This is 0 and this is 4. So answer is what? 0 4. सबको समझा? A and B means what? A and B, and output will store in A only. Okay, सभी को समझा ये इंस्ट्रक्शन? इसको कुछ डाउट है ये इंस्ट्रक्शन में?
सर यहाँ पर फ्लैग रजिस्टर इफेक्ट कैसे होगा बता?
हाँ वो बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, ओके, यहाँ देखिए. See how flag register will affect in this sum. See here. See, this is this sign flag. This is 0 flag. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, I have one extra, na? Okay, so see here. So this is carry flag, and this is I think so parity flag, and I hope this is auxiliary carry flag. Okay, now देखिए साइन ये 0 है ना, आंसर इज पॉजिटिव ना, तो साइन फ्लैग विल बी व्हाट 0. Okay, now say parity. Now parity, say number of ones is what? Number of ones is odd na, so parity will be 0. Okay, now see carry तो generate अपना हुआ ही नहीं, carry generate हुआ है नहीं, तो carry flag will be what? 0. Now 0 flag, see 0 flag, if answer is 0 then 0 flag will be 1. अपना आंसर क्या 0 4 है ना, तो ये 0 है क्या? नहीं ना, तो 0 flag will be what? 0. See auxiliary carry means what? If from year to year if your carry is generated, which means from D3 to D4, if carry generated then your auxiliary flag will be 1. So अपना यहाँ से यहाँ carry generate हुआ है क्या? नहीं हुआ है ना ये केस में, तो auxiliary carry will be also 0, and at the remaining place you can simply place 0 0. समझा आपको ये?
सर बुक में लिखा है कि ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग सेट हो जाएगा
किसमें?
एएन लॉजिक एएन इंस्ट्रक्शन में.
नहीं बच्चों वैसा नहीं, वो अब जो डेटा लोगे ना उसके हिसाब से वो सेट रिसेट होगा ना. सी फ्लैग इज व्हाट? सी फ्लैग will let you know the like the status of your result ना. तो status of a result, तो जो आप इनपुट लोगे बच्चा उसके हिसाब से आपका फ्लैग सेट होता है, रिसेट होता है. समझे? जो आप इनपुट लोगे ना इसके हिसाब से. देखिए आपने ये केस में कैरी कहाँ सेट हो रहा है? Auxiliary carry means what? If a carry is generated from D3 to D4, then it will be 1. एक काम कीजिए आप, मुझे वो स्टेटमेंट चैट में डालिए ना एक बार लिखकर.
यस.
बाकी सभी को समझाइए, इसमें कुछ डाउट है? लाइक इन केस ऑफ फ्लैग रजिस्टर. नहीं तो जस्ट देखिए बाय डिफॉल्ट एसी सेट नहीं होगा. बाय डिफॉल्ट एसी हमेशा लाइक यू कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग अबाउट फ्लैग रजिस्टर. इट ऑलवेज डिपेंड अपॉन द आंसर व्हिच वी विल गेट.
सर इसके अंदर ऐसा दिया है कि एस जेड पी फ्लैग आर मॉडिफाइड टू रिफ्लेक्ट द रिजल्ट, कैरी फ्लैग इज रीसेट एंड एसी फ्लैग इज सेट.
Okay, see sign flag will depend upon your answer. Z flag will also depend upon your answer. Parity flag will also depend upon your answer. See, carry flag will never set. देखो इसमें क्या होगा ना, your carry flag, your auxiliary carry flag will never set only ना. SC flag is set. No, might it will be wrong statement. क्योंकि देखो इसमें auxiliary carry कैसा set होगा आपका? See, if you read the definition now, what auxiliary carry say? See, even if you Google it out, auxiliary carry क्या कहता है हमें कि when it will be set when if D3 is set from D4. हमारे इसमें D3 से D4 में कहाँ कैरी जनरेट हो रहा है? might इसमें नहीं होता रहेगा. See, in case of and we are not getting it, but see might in other if you take any other input और अगर हम और लेंगे तो मे भी उसमें होता रहेगा. But here in this numerical this is not so possible.
यस सर समझा.
Okay. Okay, so we are done with the logical AND instruction. देखिए आपको सेम करना है. You have to like explain in the same way. Logical AND with register we have done same way. Then you have to do with logical memory, logical and accumulator with memory. Now this in this case their data. See, all you have to do is everything same, nothing different. Okay, so this is all about AND instruction. Now let's move to OR instruction. Let's take the same example only. Okay. Now देखो और इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या होगा हमारा? Let's wait. Let's reduce it out. आपको दिख रहा है ना जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ? Like it's visible or should I मैं बड़ा करूँ स्क्रीन को?
दिख रहा है.
Okay, fine. देखो now we are doing logical OR. What we are doing logical OR. ठीक है? So same इसमें भी ना, like there are three type. इसमें भी क्या है, there are three type. One is what, O R A R, same O R A M and O R I data. Okay, now let's consider this only. Okay, first one. So let's consider A अपना 84A and let's consider B अपना 37A. So if we write O R A B, then what happen? Let's see it out. देखिए O A अपना A क्या है, 1 0 0 0 and 0 1 0 0 and 3 is what, 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, so now see what we are doing, logical or, logical और, ठीक है. सो यहाँ देखिए 0 1 इज व्हाट 1 1. सी अभी देखो हम गलती क्या करते हैं, ओके 1 + 1 ना, तुम क्या करते हो, 0 कैरी 1 करते हैं, वो नहीं है, ऐड नहीं है, लॉजिकल और है, तो ये ध्यान में रखना. सी दिस 1 0 0 0, एक भी इनपुट हाई है तो 1 हो जाएगा, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 0, दिस इज 1. ओके, नाउ जस्ट ये कर लीजिए. So this is what, this is I think to see 8 to 10 10 na, this is 11 na, so this is B and this is what 7. So finally अपने को आंसर क्या आएगा, A में B and 7. Now let's work for flag register. Now let's work for the flag register. तो हम इसमें जैसे कि हम flag register, okay, so see this is your sign flag, 0 flag, sign flag, 0 flag, this is your carry flag, this is your parity flag and this is your auxiliary carry flag. देखिए यहाँ से यहाँ कैरी जनरेट हुआ कि हमारा कैरी जनरेट नहीं हुआ ना, तो कैरी विल बी 0 ओनली. नंबर ऑफ वंस काउंट कीजिए, नंबर ऑफ वंस से नंबर ऑफ वंस इज नाउ व्हाट, इवन, सो पैरिटी विल बी व्हाट 1. ऑक्सिलरी कैरी देखो यहाँ से यहाँ अपना कैरी जनरेट हुआ कि यहाँ से इधर नहीं हुआ ना,
नो
यहाँ से यहाँ
No.
ऑक्सिलरी कैरी विल बी 0. अपना आंसर 0 है क्या, नहीं ना, दिस इज 0. एंड सिंपली साइन फ्लैग क्या करो, इधर जो रहेगा इधर लिख दो, दैट्स इट. ओके, नाउ क्या करो, इधर जो खाली जगह है वहां पर क्या करो, 0 0 प्लेस कर दो. At empty place either you can put a dash or you can 0, but it's preferable you should put 0. This is your flag registers. Okay, now same way you have to do the remaining two also, ORAM, ORI data. Okay, so this is all about and logical or instruction. इसमें किसी को doubt है कुछ भी, anyone have any doubt regarding logical OR gate and logical AND gate? सभी को समझा ये चीज? क्योंकि ना एग्जाम में देखो, like in exam ना, like they will never ask you about explain AND instruction or instruction, but there will be a question, like they will give you a number data. Okay, so they will give you a data where like assume say what they will do, they will give in this way, like B is 37 and A is 87, and they will say you perform all this instruction one after the another. They will say you perform all this instruction one after the another. बेटा अपने अब हम ये नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में करते, इसमें लिखने नहीं होगा हमें. Let's wait. Or else let's do one thing first, complete the XOR also, XRA, then let's move ahead. See here, now same XOR. Now what, XOR. Okay, so XOR also have same three type. XOR with, इसको हम XOR नहीं क्या मतलब in like we used to say XOR but like what how we used to write is XRA. XRA, okay, same. XRA register, XRA memory, XRI data. Okay, now let's explain understand, sorry, like this one. See, हमने A में लिया था, let's consider A में हमारा 84 है, so code will be what 0 1, sorry, so 84. Now let's consider हमारा B में 37 है. And when we do exclusive OR, XRA with like, and assume our instruction is this. So answer will be what? See, मैंने कहा था अगर दोनों different हो तो output 1. So this is different, this is different, this both are same ना, दोनों same है 0, different है same है different है. So what we have get, what, so finally what we have get, so this is what again 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, so this is 12 and this is what 3. So what we get, A equal to B3. And now if you draw the flag register, so this is carry, sorry, this is sign flag, this is what your 0 flag, this is carry flag, this is parity flag, and this is auxiliary carry flag. Okay, now देखिए like parity, देखिए parity number of ones कितने odd है ना, तो parity will be what 0. carry generate हुआ है नहीं हुआ है 0, और आंसर इट नॉट 0, 0 flag will be 0. इधर 1 है तो इधर क्या आएगा 1. now auxiliary carry, यहाँ से यहाँ carry generate तो नहीं हुआ है, this also become 0. now at the remaining place you can just fill out 0 0 0. सभी को समझा ये चीज? कुछ डाउट है किसी को इसमें? Anyone have any doubt?
समझा सर.
ओके ठीक. अभी देखिए लेकिन आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसे आएंगे इसके ऊपर हम वो देख लेते हैं. देखिए दे विल गिव यू व्हाट लाइक दे विल से यू ए में अपना 84 है एंड लाइक बी में अज्यूम कीजिए 57 है. दे विल से यू परफॉर्म दिस series of operation on the inputs and produce the output at last. So आपको दे देंगे ऐसा वो. ओके देखिए ये क्वेश्चन हमें कैसे सॉल्व करना है. फर्स्ट तो उन्होंने क्या बोल रहा है, लॉजिकल एंड ए विद बी, तो 84 क्या होता है सी ईयर. अगर आपने कॉलेजेस में बुलियम्स या कोई भी एग्जाम दिया होगा तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको आया ही होगा एग्जाम में. Now first our first instruction is what, logically and with b na. So if we do logical and, okay, so we are getting this one. Now our second, so this is what 0 4. Now second is देखिए अभी see for this ना, see for this instruction you have to consider now a as 0 4. okay, आप a 84 मत ले लेना अभी, because see after this instruction your a value will become changed ना, your a value become change, क्योंकि देखो ये क्या होता है, this is what a equal to a and b, समझे? Now this is what logical order. Now you have to consider a as 0 4. Okay, now you have to consider a as 0 4 and your b is remain as it is ना, b थोड़ी change हुआ है हमारा. So 0 4 is what 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1, sorry, and 57 is what 0 1 0 1 and 0 triple 1. Now when you perform, ठीक है, now अपना a क्या हो गया अभी ये, see now our a become what, this is what 5 and this is what 7, तो अभी अपना a में अभी as of the 57 ही है, ठीक है. now our third instruction, our third instruction is what, and in third instruction your a is 57 and your b is also 57 na, right? Now when you do XRA, so see here, see सब same है इसमें, see this is same, so answer you finally will get is what 0. Okay, so this is a 5-mark question. So you now there will be like question, what is the content of a? Content of a is what, after performing all operation content of a becomes 0. So 0 0 हो गया ना. What about flag register? What about flag registers? Yes, Sages, अगर वो कहेंगे आपको कोई इनिशियली आपको इंडिपेंडेंटली परफॉर्म करना, देन यू हैव टू टेक द इनिशियल वैल्यू. बट क्वेश्चन में बट एग्जाम में ना दे विल से यू कंसीडर द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रीवियस आउटपुट. ओके, क्योंकि कैसे कि आप अगर इनिशियली परफॉर्म करोगे ना, देन इट्स नो, मतलब क्वेश्चन में से एग्जाम नहीं आएगा क्योंकि बहुत इजी हो जाता है ना. सो इसके लिए वो क्या करते हैं, यू हैव टू कंसीडर द आउटपुट. तो इसमें चांसेस क्या है, इफ योर आउटपुट इज रॉन्ग ना ऑफ फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट, मतलब देन आपका जो भी आगे का इंस्ट्रक्शंस है वो आपके सब रॉन्ग हो जाएंगे. नाउ यू हैव टू जस्ट सेट द कैरी फ्लैग्स. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज अ साइन फ्लैग, this is our zero flag, this is our carry flag, this is our parity flag, and this is our auxiliary carry flag. See, sign flag क्या आएगा 0. now अपना आंसर 0 है ना, तो एक इसमें तो 0 flag क्या आएगा 1. auxiliary carry 0. see, parity means what, even number of ones ना. अभी इसमें कुछ 1 है नहीं, मतलब 0 number of ones, 0 ones है ना, 0 ones, तो लेकिन 0 तो इवन ही होता है ना यार. तो parity क्या आएगा 1. carry nahi, and at remaining place you can just put it 0 0 and 0. I hope this is clear to everyone. Everyone just please make a note of this, everyone. Everyone just make a note of this question. Okay, I'm just giving you 2 minutes. You just make a note of this. लिख तो सकते. Okay, I am giving you 2 minutes to just make a note of this instructions of this question. While writing, just think what we have done. And if you still have any doubt, then let me know. Okay. So try to complete within 2 minutes this numerical. And then definitely this will come for 5 marks. See for 3 mark, see here. For 1 mark this, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, and 1 mark for this. It's a 5 mark question. So please make a note of it. I hope everyone have make a note of this. Let's move ahead. So see, we have done with the logical instruction also. Okay, now one more important instruction is there, which is called as compare instruction. Which is called as compare. Or else before seeing the like learning this, let's learn a rotate instruction. See, rotate instruction. So what does it mean? Rotate instruction means what? See here. See, we have 4 rotate instruction. RRC, RLC, I think so, RAR and RAL, RAL. Okay. Now see here. Rotate RRC means what? जैसे कि assume कीजिए, let's A में अपना 84 है, A में क्या अपना 84 and in carry we have let's assume 1. Okay, so 84, how we will write? Okay, now if I अभी देखिए, what instruction say RRC means what? Rotate right, rotate right. So what you have to do, you have to just rotate right. See, rotate right means what? You have to just shift your all the bits one byte ahead, one byte ahead ना. Rotate right मतलब क्या होता है? अपने को right की ओर shift करना है ना. See here. And here your carry will be there. इधर 1 है. Now देखो, rotate right means what? आपको right की ओर shift करना है. Means what? You have to just shift one byte ahead. हम कैसा करेंगे? यहाँ देखिए. So you have to shift this here, this here, this will come here, this will come here. Okay, and this one will come here. This one will come here, as well as this will come in your carry also, in your carry part also. So this byte will come here and this byte will come in your carry part. Okay, so if our content is 84, then जब हम shift करेंगे तो क्या होगा? See, यहाँ 1 आ जाएगा. आपको समझा RRC?
Yes.
ओके, नाउ सेम आरएलसी मतलब क्या? उल्टा. आरएलसी मतलब क्या? जस्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस. हमने ऐसा शिफ्ट किया ना, हमें भी लेफ्ट की ओर शिफ्ट करना है. हमें क्या करना है? लेफ्ट की ओर शिफ्ट करना है. जस्ट वेट, हमें क्या करना है? लेफ्ट की ओर हमें शिफ्ट करना है. ध्यान देखिए. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. ओके, वही हमें लेफ्ट की और हम पहले राइट की ओर शिफ्ट हो रहे थे ना. अभी हम क्या करना है? लेफ्ट की ओर हमें शिफ्ट करना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ, अब इस तरह, दिस ईयर, दिस ईयर, ये इधर, ये इधर. Now see this term, na this term will come here also, and this term will come here also. So when we do, so carry, see this term will come here also na. So carry यहाँ इधर 1 आ जाएगा and इधर 1 आ जाएगा. बाकी ये इधर आएगा. So this will come 0. This will come here. This is 1, 1. सबको समझा ये? RLC also.
Yes, sir.
Now see, only difference is, now see the only difference between RRC and RAR is what? Here we are not including carry. Here we have to include carry also. Here we have to include carry also. Means what? See here. See, this is our data byte now. This is our carry. तो देखो हमें क्या करना है? हमें we have to shift towards right now. So in this case, you have to shift this here, and देखो ये आपको shift करना है यहाँ पर. But इसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे? इसमें see here we are, what we are doing here, we are doing in this way. This here, and this we are shifting here and here. But see, diagram, दोनों diagram में difference है. Okay, observe this and this, both are different. and same in RAL.
सर आरआर एक बार फिर से बताओ।
RAR,
यस सर।
देखिए इसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे कि see we are shifting this bit here, okay, and here also ना, but इसमें RAR में क्या करना है अपने को, कैरी इधर शिफ्ट करना है. See, in RAR we have to shift carry here, and last bit we have to shift in carry only.
समझा सर।
समझे? एंड RAL में क्या है, RAL में सेम, RAL में हम क्या कर रहे थे, इसी देखो इसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे, इसमें वी आर शिफ्टिंग इन दिस वे ना, दिस ईयर, सॉरी मैंने उल्टा ले लिया. इसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे, टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट वी आर शिफ्टिंग ना, सो वी आर शिफ्टिंग दिस ईयर, हम ऐसा कर रहे थे ना, एंड दिस वन वी आर शिफ्टिंग हियर आल्सो एंड हियर आल्सो ना, बट RAL में क्या करना पड़ेगा, RAL में सी यहां से इधर, ओके, नाउ दिस वन वी विल शिफ्ट एट लास्ट, बाकी रिमेनिंग ऑल आर सेम. लेकिन देखो इसमें क्या कर रहे थे हम, ये इधर भी शिफ्ट कर रहे थे और ये टर्म हम शिफ्ट कर रहे थे, लेकिन इसमें क्या करेंगे हम, जो कैरी में रहेगा ना वो शिफ्ट करेंगे इधर. सबको समझा डिफरेंस क्या है, RRC RRAR में, RLC और RAL में?
यस
ओके, देखो लेकिन हम एग्जाम में हम कंफ्यूज क्या हो जाते हैं कि RRC मींस व्हाट, हमें इन दोनों में डिफरेंस मालूम है लेकिन हम इन दोनों का नाम भूल जाते हैं एग्जाम में. सो कभी कभार क्या करते हैं, ओके वी विल थिंक अरे RRC मींस व्हाट, वी हैव टू इंक्लूड कैरी आल्सो, सो हम ये करके आ जाते हैं एग्जाम में, व्हिच वन, दिस वन, ओके, बट दिस इज नॉट सो. तो डेफिनेशन याद रखिए, इंस्ट्रक्शन का नाम याद रखिए एंड उसका वर्किंग याद रखिए. In case of RRC we have to do this, in case of RAR we have to do this. Okay, so this is one of the common mistake which every student do. Okay, so this is all about the rotate instruction. Now let's learn about last one instruction which is called as compare instruction. Compare instruction. ठीक है, compare instruction. So see, this also has same CMP register, CMP memory, and CPI. CPI, your data, okay, your CPI, your data. So what will happen here? CPI data, okay. देखिए इसमें हम करते क्या, we just compare out, okay. देखिए like for comparison we require two number ना, see for comparison we require two number, for comparison we require how many number, two number. So one number must be in where, see one number must be in accumulator, and second number can be anywhere. Anywhere means what, either in memory or in register ना, which we have done here. So therefore अपने पास दो ही तीन instruction, one is register and memory. Okay, now see, or else one more is what, direct data you can give, you can directly give data. Therefore we have three instructions here of compare. Now see how compare exactly work, we have to see it. Compare काम कैसा करता है, just see it here. Let's consider this one, okay. Let's consider compare B. Now assume देखिए A में assume कीजिए 40 है and assume कीजिए B में 17 है. देख कंपेयर क्या करेगा ना, कंपेयर will do A minus B, A minus B. Okay, so this is different from subtraction. ठीक है, अगर मैं ये लिखूं, this is what, A equal to A minus B. But what compare will do, compare will just do A minus B, and with this result compare will set the flag. With this result compare will set the carry flag and zero flag. यहाँ देखिए, see, ये केस में हमारा देखिए a बड़ा है b से, a बड़ा है b से, तो इसमें हमारा हमेशा क्या होगा, क्या देखिए, जैसे कि लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल जब भी हम कोई बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से माइनस करते हैं तो हमें बोरो लेने की जरूरत है क्या? नहीं है, नहीं है ना। जैसे कि अज्यूम देखिए, अगर जैसे कि हम 40 माइनस 17 करते, there is no need to take borrow, but like assume if we are doing 17 minus 40, then there is a need of borrow, then there is a need of borrow na. So in our language borrow means what? Carry. In our language borrow means what? In computer science borrow means what? Carry. देखिए, if a minus b, if it's greater than 0, then definitely we carry flag will be 0 and 0 flag will be 0. Okay, next, if a minus b is less than 0, means what? This case, if a minus b is less than 0, then to perform operation we have to take carry flag is 1 and 0 flag will be 0 only. ठीक है, नाउ अज्यूम कीजिए a इक्वल टू b है, जब a इक्वल टू b है तो जब हम a माइनस b करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? आंसर 0 हो जाएगा ना। तो a 0 flag will become 1 and the carry flag will be what? 0 only. सबको समझा ये चीज? मैंने क्या लिखा हूँ? तीन केस, एवरीवन?
Yes.
Okay, so this is all about your compare instruction. So this also like almost 80% times this come in your exam. Explain the compare instructions along with the example. So you have to explain in this way. You have to explain all these three cases along with an example. So this comes around 2 mark, 2 to 3 mark in your examination. Okay, so we are done with rotated instruction. We have done with compare instructions. Okay, and last we only remaining with is what? Branch instructions. We are remaining with branch instructions.
सर CMA और STC इंस्ट्रक्शन में तो
Okay, ठीक, देखो वो भी देखिए। CMA means what? CMA. CMA का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? It's complement your accumulator. Complement your accumulator means what? देखिए, जैसे कि अज्यूम कीजिए मेरे पास A है, A में मेरा accumulator है, A में मान लीजिए 84 है मेरे पास, तो 84 means what? 1 0 0 0 and 4 is what? 0 1 0 0. Now if I do complement, if I write CMA, CMA will do the complement of this thing na. So what will happen? 0 का 1 1 का 0 0 का 1 1 का 0 this. Now अभी A में क्या आ गया? 7. This is what? B. समझे?
यस सर समझा।
CMA. Now STC. See, STC stand for set carry. Set carry. See, if I write STC na, then your C become 1. Just itna hi. If I write STC, then your C become 1. This is all about CMA and STC. और कुछ डाउट है आपको?
सर कैरी फ्लैग अगर पहले से 1 रहेगा तो
1 ही
STC
होगा. Then also no issue. 1 1.
Yes.
See, it will make 1. Either it will be 0 or 1. It's not an issue. It will make 1. Okay. Now same, I think so there will be one more instruction, I think so, CMC. So CMC what will do? CM just complement the carry flag. If C is 1, then it will make C equal to 0. If C is 0, then it will make C equal to 1. This is about CMC. Okay, so this is CMA, this is STC, and this is CMC. Okay, सबको समझे इतना?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now let's move ahead. Now let's go to branching instructions. So mostly this instructions ना हमें जब हम कोड करेंगे ना सभी हमें अच्छे से समझेगा. As of now, just keep the name in your, like there are different branch instruction, but the importance are this. One is what? J and C. J and C means what? Jump not carry. Jump not carry. JC means what? Jump carry. Okay, JNC meant if carry is not generated, then we have to jump. JC means what? If carry is generated, then you have to jump. Similarly, J and Z, jump not zero. If the zero flag is not yet set, then we have to jump. Jump zero means if zero flag is set, then we won't have to jump. Similarly, JNC, JC, jump not zero, jump zero. Similarly, there will be many more, I think so. Jump positive. Jump positive. Your answer is positive, then you have to jump. Okay. And then, yep. Jump, I think so, parity odd. Jump parity odd. Jump parity even. Means when there is an odd parity, you have to jump. When there's an even parity, and you have to jump. But the most important, and which we will use in our coding part is what? This 5. Okay, so JNC, it was JNC means jump not carry. JC means what? Jump carry. JZ means what? Jump not zero. JZ means what? Jump if zero. And JP means what? Jump if positive. So these are the 5 most important branching instruction which will come. And in exam, like question on this will never come. They won't say you can explain this. ये कभी नहीं आएगा आपको exam में. But there are something like come from this is what? One is call instruction, one is condition instruction. Chance है, लेकिन up till now they have never asked about these instructions. Okay, now in case of machine control instruction, देखिए machine control instruction में there are many instruction like sim instruction, rim instruction is there, push pop is there, in and out is there. See यहाँ पर in and out लिखा है book में, in is there, out is there. Okay, but the important from this is what? Push and pop. In case of branch instruction, the important, in case of machine control group, the important is push and pop. Okay, and see, let's do, you just go through all the instructions. If you have any doubt, then you ask me, but those are not important, therefore I am not like. Okay, now one is push, another is pop instruction. So before learning this, like learn what is stack. This stack is what? LIFO means what? Last in, first out data structure. देखो हमने बुक में जैसे कि देखिए ये हम कहाँ ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, जैसे कि देखिए अगर हम लाइक हमने देखा रहेगा हम लाइक घर में प्लेट्स रखते हैं. हाँ yes, same rim and EA is in machine control instruction. Yes, this all are in machine control instruction, but the chances of asking this is very low. See, push and pop are like they can ask you, but this for asking this is very low, and they won't ask you in the Viva also. Viva examination also this won't come. So yeah, you can learn it. You just learn it. You can just go through it. If you have any doubt, then you ask me.
सर उसको शॉर्ट में बाद में एक्सप्लेन करो ना, मतलब उसका वर्किंग कैसे रहता है.
ओके, ठीक है, चलो हम वो एक काम करते हैं. As of there is of no use. After learning the practical, ना I will do it. You just
Yes,
at least
sir.
go through once. Okay, क्योंकि देखिए वो हम पढ़ेंगे ना तो वो नहीं आएगा एग्जाम में, बहुत कम चांस है उनका. ठीक, तो लिफो क्या कह रहा था मैं? लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. तो अगर हम घर पे देखेंगे तो देखो हम कैसा रखते हैं प्लेट्स. हम प्लेट ऐसा रखते हैं ना, एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक, ऐसा. ओके, सो हम ऐसा प्लेट ऐसा रखते. तो जो सबसे हम लास्ट प्लेट रखते हैं, अगर हमें प्लेट निकालना है तो सबसे हम वही प्लेट निकालेंगे ना. देखिए ये प्लेट हमने लास्ट रखा, लेकिन जब हम प्लेट निकाल रहे तो हम वही प्लेट निकाल रहे हैं ना. तो इससे हम कहते हैं लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. जो हमें सबसे लास्ट में रखा हम उसको सबसे पहला निकालते हैं. ओके, तो देखिए इसमें क्या करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि और एल्स आपने ये देखा रहेगा सीडी ड्राइव. सीडी देखिए ऐसा स्टैंड रहता है. CD का हम क्या करते हैं, हम इसमें सब CDs डालते हैं एक एक करके, सॉरी, ये सब सीरीज डालते हैं। अभी देखो आपने ये सबसे लास्ट डाला रहेगा, लेकिन आप जब आप निकालोगे तो सबसे पहले आपको यही निकालना पड़ेगा ना, दिस वन, आपको सबसे पहले यही निकालना पड़ेगा, तो जिससे कहते हैं लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट। तो जब आप डाल रहे हो, सी व्हेन यू आर जस्ट इंसर्टिंग CD ड्राइव इनटू दिस लाइक यू कैन से स्टोरेज, सो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर पुशिंग ना, हम क्या पुश करते हैं ना CD इसके अंदर, एंड देन सो व्हेन यू आर इंसर्टिंग, what we are doing, you are just inserting, we are doing pushing, and जब अब निकाल रहे हो तो what you do pop. Pop means what? Removing. Pop means what? Removing. Okay, this is push and this is pop instruction. See, when we learn C and C plus ना, when we learn data structure, तो उसमें ये हम अच्छे से रीड करेंगे, ओके, क्योंकि अभी आपको बताऊंगा तो नहीं समझेगा ये चीज, बट स्टिल सी हियर, see what happened ना, एक्चुअली स्टैक ना ऐसा उल्टा रहता है, राइट? स्टैक है ना, हम ऐसा कंसिडर करते हैं कभी भी स्टैक को, एंड दिस मेमोरी लोकेशन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, ठीक है? See now, in order to push something, so see how it is. If this is 100, then this is 99 and 98. Okay, so when you push something ना, जब हम पुश करते हैं ना रजिस्टर को, when you push register pair, when you push register pair, तो देखो क्या होगा, जैसे कि मान लो हम पुश कर रहे हैं BC को, तो BC B इधर आएगा एंड C इधर आएगा, एंड ये हमारा कहाँ पॉइंट करेगा, यहाँ पर, ये कहाँ पॉइंट करेगा हमारा, यहाँ पर, इससे हम कहते हैं स्टैक पॉइंटर। क्या कहते हैं हम? स्टैक पॉइंटर। तो देखो इनिशियली स्टैक पॉइंटर मेरा 100 था ना, इनिशियली मैं स्टैक पॉइंटर इज व्हाट 100, नाउ इट बिकम व्हाट 98, initially stack pointer is 100, now it's become 98. Okay, so this is all about push operation. And if I pop it out, अगर मैं pop करना चाहता हूँ तो pop कैसा करूँगा? See, when I pop it out, so C will come and B will come, and again my SP will point here, and again SP will point here. So ये कैसा होता है? लास्ट इन फर्स्ट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर हम पुश और पॉप यूज करते, जब पुश करते तो ये ऐसा ऊपर जाता है, जब पॉप करते तो जो हमारा स्टैक पॉइंटर है वो नीचे आते रहता है, ठीक है? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पुश एंड पॉप इंस्ट्रक्शंस। अगर आपको इस पे नहीं भी समझा देन इट्स आल्सो ओके, क्योंकि हम ये काम भी यूज नहीं करने वाले हमारे कोडिंग में, लाइक नाउ लाइक फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल राइट सम कोड्स, तो ये यूज नहीं होने वाला है। सो दिस वी विल लर्न इन प्रॉपर वे इन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, बट जस्ट इतने याद रखिए इसमें, लाइक इन एग्जाम इवन दो इफ योर एक्सटर्नल, अगर हमें पूछते वाइवा में, they will ask you what is push and pop, like a stack is which type of data structure. So stack is what LIFO type of data structure, which means last in first out data structure, and you can just give them the example of CD drive. In CD आपको example दे पाओगे। Okay, so I think so we are done with the instruction, all five type of instruction set we are done with, and the remaining instructions are not as important, I think so, but still you should all go through once. Okay, so from next lecture we will start with the coding part. So let's do one thing, okay, do one thing, Tejas, you just do one thing. I think so there will be some common practicals to everyone. Okay, in every college they might give you some practical list of practicals, okay, which will be common in every college. So we will try to finish out those practicals first, so that that common practical will be covered for everyone. Okay, so so Tejas, you just work out for it, try to find out the common practical which will be in every college, and and also everyone just revise out all the instructions. See, if you won't revise all the instruction, then at the next lecture you won't understand nothing in coding when we write a code for it. But if you learn, see, if you learn data transfer instructions, arithmetic instruction, if you learn these two also, these two type of instruction, this two group, then also almost all the coding all the program you will easily get, so you won't have to mug up यार. देखो एग्जाम में काफी बच्चे मग अप करके जाते हैं and you are not sure कि भाई जो आप याद करके जाओगे वही आएगा. एंड क्या होता है फिर हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं क्योंकि हमने याद किया है. देखो तो याद मत करो कोई भी चीज, समझ के ले लेना कोडिंग जो भी हम कोड लिखने वाले हैं. ओके, सो आई होप आपको इस सब ये जितना भी हमने इंस्ट्रक्शन सेट किया आपको समझा. इफ एनी डाउट देन लेट मी नो. कुछ डाउट है किसी में भी, किसी को भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस में as of now which we have done till yet, like data transfer instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instructions, then we have done with branching instructions, and we have done with machine instruction. तो इसमें अगर किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है in any type of instruction then let me know. You can see for practical all your instructions should be proper. You must have the proper idea about all the instructions, then only you will understand, or else the knowledge before and after the lecture will be in equilibrium, which means it will be in constant. Before lecture you won't get anything, after lecture also you won't get anything. सभी को समझा सब कुछ I hope. Okay, fine. So let's stop for today here only. Okay, so in next lecture we will start with the coding part. So like so next 2 to